So now let's see how we can work around with the guided move and scale object option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to work around with that, I'm going to go around over here onto the guided mode right here, just like this. And once I go around onto the guided mode, over here you can see move and scale object is an option right here. So if I were to go around over here, then what I have is here you can see that there's different options which is given to you. So you can go around and select out, let's say, quick selection tool right here and select out objects right here, as you can see. So everything is guided, so you can see that there's one option after other. You can also go around onto auto and use the auto selection mode right here, just like this, and then parts of the objects will be selected. So over here you can see that I just want to select out this boat right here. So over here you can see that there's this selection going on right here. I'm just going to go around onto the subtract area and subtract out those parts right here. So I'm just going to go around onto the quick option and then draw around, which is much more easy. And here you can see only this boat will be selected now right here. I'm going to go around onto the add section right here and just go around and then click and drag this out, and that will be selected. So now once you do that, over here you can see that I can duplicate this out right here, and you can see that I can click and drag around and duplicate this, and you can also go around and resize this out right here, as you can see. You can go around onto the tool right here, place this anywhere you want and press the check mark right here, as you can see. You can go around onto the quick selection tool, select this out, and over here you can see move option is here, but that actually moves out the original content itself. And if you were to press the check mark, you can see that it creates a duplicate out right that as well. But over here you can see that the original content is gone. So over here, if you want to change around the let's say for example the artifacts, you can adjust that out by using this spot healing brush tool, which is provided to you here. So you can go around and click and drag around and use the spot healing brush tool right here to remove it out over here as well. So everything is guided one after another, as you can see in this mode. And you can also use the clone stamp tool right here to go around and then, let's say for example, increase out the brush size, and let's say you want to take out this texture right over here. So you can hold Alt on your keyboard and click, and over here you can see that you can just paint around based on what you actually select over there. You can go around, hold Alt to take this area as a sample, and then you can paint around, as you can see, just like this. And then you can use the spot healing brush tool again to just go around and then just let's say for example paint over right here, and you can see that that is what you have. I'm going to go around, increase the brush size right here, and just like this you can see that I can just go around and change this around over here. So you can go around over here and you can see that everything is here. You can work around with the clone stamp tool right here, just like this, and so forth. And once everything is done, you can press the next button right here, and then you can continue editing this in Quick or Expert as how you like it. And then there you go. So that is how you can use the guided move and scale object option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.